Yeah, work it. Right there. That's a good spot. Right there. Yeah.
What are you guys doing?
What? Oh. Nothing. Josh was just down this weekend and was helping us with some video work, so I thought we could use him on our channel. Out driving the Mustang today, and it sure seems sluggish. It's like it doesn't have any power at all. What in the world is going on with this thing? That could explain it. Hey guys, this is my 1966 Mustang GT. As you can tell, it's a fastback model. The goal of this car is probably 95% finished. I want to finish it up, that last little 5%. There's one issue I know of the exterior, and that is this dent right here. I don't know if you can see it or not. You might have to get in the light. Somebody dropped something right here, and there's a dent. So I'm probably going to take this hood off and get it to Mike. He says he can match this color and have him fill that and repaint this hood. The interior is really all the way complete. Needs to be vacuumed, but it has all been everything removed and redone and replaced. All the body lines are extremely good on this car. The gaps are just perfect. The lines really, everything just lines up really good. I'd say the most work we have left to do is this engine bay, if you can see in there. But from the valve cover, intake area up has all been finished. From that part down, I've not done almost anything to yet. So what I need to do is remove this engine. It already has new exhaust going all the way back. Transmission's been out and it's been painted, and it's all looks good. But I need to pull this out. I need to repaint and redetail the engine, repaint and redetail the engine bay. It still has all the original GT components on it. With 1966 Mustangs, there's no Marty report that you can get that tells what options the car had or any of that kind of stuff. That didn't start, I think, until 68 maybe. On a 66 Mustang, the only way to prove, and you can't really prove it, but to know if a car still has its original engine is you look at the car build date, which on our 66 Mustang was July 15th, 1966. And then the motor assembly date stamped on there was June 29th of 66, and the block manufacture date was June 17th of 66. So when you look at all those dates, they add up just to the perfect amount of time between each thing that was manufactured to go on a car of that date. So I'm pretty confident in saying that the motor is the original motor for the car. For example, the big brake master cylinder, the close ratio steering box. It has the big sway bar, the heavy-duty suspension, all that was original to the GTs. fog lights. So the biggest part of the labor involved in getting this thing totally finished is getting this motor out and redoing this and putting it back in.
And always remember, don't retire it if you can rebuild it. Thanks so much, guys, for tuning in and watching this week's episode of Rebuild It. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any awesome content. Have a good one.